Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video. I am super excited because these one brand makeup tutorials are some of my favorite videos to film, especially when I am using a full face of pretty much my favorite brand, Charlotte Tilbury. And I once again have gotten the privilege of partnering with Charlotte Tilbury for this video. They wanted me to share with you, and I was going to share anyway, their new Pillow Talk Party collection. As most of you know, Pillow Talk is Charlotte Tilbury's iconic makeup look that is just so ethereal and pretty and romantic, and everybody just loves Pillow Talk lipstick. In recent years, Charlotte Tilbury has expanded the Pillow Talk range, and now it's expanded even more with these new additions. Here are the new Pillow Talk Multi Glow All Over Glow Highlighters. These All Over Glow highlighters come in a new Mother of Pearl Pink Compact. Romance Light is the cool shade for a wash of nudie pink glow on cooler complexions. And Dream Light gives a warm pink glow on warmer complexions. They have a smoothing, soft focus blurring effect, and I will be using both of them in today's tutorial. And now take a look at this new eyeshadow quad. It is called Pillow Talk Dreams. And wait till you see how this performs on my eyes. These shadows are so incredibly pigmented. They're easy to blend, the metallic shades are radiant, and the Super Pop shade reflects the most beautiful light onto your eyes. It's just such a stunning palette. Of course, I've used all of that and more to get this look that I will be showing you in this video. All of the products and the shade names will be listed down below in the description box. Everything will be linked to the Charlotte Tilbury website, and I really want you to visit the Charlotte Tilbury website because you can get so many amazing makeup tips and tutorials on the website. You can sign up for a virtual consultation. They have special value bundles that you can only find on the Charlotte Tilbury website. And in case you didn't know, Charlotte Tilbury was the #1 beauty growth brand in 2021. So if you'd like to see step by step how I achieved this look using Charlotte Tilbury's iconic Pillow Talk products as well as the new Pillow Talk Party collection, then please keep on watching. I'm prepping my skin with a new Collagen Superfusion Facial Oil. This is infused with a collagen matrix of potent plant extracts, vitamin-rich oils, and calming essential oils. This is going to make my skin appear more radiant, it's going to increase hydration, and over time, my skin will appear smoother and more even. And now I'm moving on to my favorite Charlotte Tilbury skincare product. This is the Magic Cream. I've been using it for years. It plumps up my skin. It's the perfect primer for underneath makeup, especially if you have drier skin. And to hydrate under my eyes, I'm using Charlotte's Magic Eye Rescue. This is my secret for keeping my under eye area from looking dry and aged. For my foundation, I am using a mixture of the Beautiful Skin Foundation and the Airbrush Flawless Foundation. This combo was recommended to me by a viewer, and I am just crazy about it. It gives me the coverage that I'm looking for, that the Airbrush Foundation provides, but then I get a little bit of the glow that the Beautiful Skin Foundation provides. And this combo just makes my skin look so natural and pretty, in my opinion, of course. Then I went and used a little bit of Charlotte Tilbury's Magic Away Concealer in shade 3, blended that out with a Beauty Blender sponge. And now I'm using the Hollywood Contour Wand in Fair Medium, placing that under my cheekbones, a little bit on my forehead, and then buffing it in with a brush. And then I'm using a combination of the Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder in shades 1 and 2 and setting my T-zone. This will take down any excess shine and give me that truly airbrushed look I'm always going for. Then I filled in my brows using the Brow Lift in the shade Taupe. So now I'm ready to do my eyes, and I'm taking the Pillow Talk Instant Eye Palette and using the lightest brown shade from the Date Night Trio. I'm blending that all through my crease and a little bit above my crease because I have hooded eyes and I want you to be able to see my eyeshadow when my eyes are open. So I'm just going back and forth from each eye, really blending it out. And now I'm using the Pillow Talk Dreams Luxury Palette, the Enhanced shade. As you can see, it's extremely pigmented, and I'm applying that to the outer corners of my eyes and blending upwards, again because my eyes are hooded and they turn down a bit on the ends. So I do try to give my eyes a more lifted appearance by buffing the eyeshadow upwards towards my temple and outer portion of my brow. So once again, I'm just going back and forth from each eye, applying and then blending until I get my desired look. And then I take a clean blending brush and just sort of diffuse all of the edges. And now I'm using the stunning Super Pop shade just with my finger. This is sort of a rose gold. It's just so stunning. Like I mentioned earlier, it just makes your eyes look radiant, and it's mature skin friendly. Going back in with that Pillow Talk Instant Eye Palette, I'm using the softly shimmering ivory shade from the Day Trio and applying that underneath the arch of my brow. For the lower lash lines, I'm using a tiny brush with the Enhance shade from the Pillow Talk Dreams, and I'm just running that along the lower lash lines and really blending it out. For my winged liner, I'm using the Feline Flick Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Super Brown. I am so sorry that I went out of focus while doing this. Because I'm left-handed and I'm trying to show you my left eye, the camera just doesn't know where to focus, unfortunately. It's cleaning up a little bit with my damp beauty blender. And now I'm using the Smoke shade from the Pillow Talk Dreams, and I'm just sort of stamping that on the very outer corner of my eyes, just above where I've done that winged liner, and then ever so gently diffusing it outwards again for that lifted look towards my temples. And now I'm using a pencil brush and the Prime shade from the palette, and I'm applying this in my tear ducts as well as blending it onto, I would say, the inner third portion of my eyelid. I'm blending it into the Super Pop shade as well as up into the crease a little bit. And now taking a tiny angled brush, I'm going back in with the Smoke shade and just applying that to my lower lash lines on the very outer corners. I would say the outer third of my lower lash line. And now to brighten my waterline, I'm using the Rock and Kohl Eye Cheat pencil. And finishing off my eyes with the Pillow Talk Push Up Mascara. Later, when you see the finished look, I will have applied some wispy lashes just to the outer corners. Now I'm going back in with the Airbrush Flawless Powder, just using shade 1. And because I'm just using shade 1, I am applying this to my under eye area, as well as brightening through my T-zone. For my cheeks, I am using the beautiful Pillow Talk Lip and Cheek Glow. This cream color is universally flattering. You can apply it with either your fingers or a brush. And then I decided, what the heck, let's add a little bit more. And I went in with the Pillow Talk Cheek to Chic Powder Blush. For my highlight, I used the beautiful new Dreamlight palette. I applied that to my cheekbones. And then using the white shade from the Romance Light Multi-Glow Highlighter, I applied that to my tear ducts to brighten them up just a little bit more, and then also under the arch of my brow. To finish off the look, for my lips, I'm using the Pillow Talk Medium Lip Cheat, followed by Pillow Talk Lipstick, and then the Pillow Talk Collagen Lip Bath. Now to set everything in place, I'm using my Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. All right, we are all done. As usual, when I use a full face of Charlotte Tilbury, I absolutely love the way the look came out. I feel like it's incredibly pretty and feminine, not over the top dramatic. It just enhances my features. I feel that this look is such a classic and it can be tailored to your specific skin tone, your makeup style. These products all performed beautifully. Honestly, my face just beams with excitement anytime I hear about an upcoming Charlotte Tilbury launch. These new Pillow Talk Party products are a beautiful addition to my Charlotte Tilbury collection. Charlotte Tilbury will always have my heart, from the packaging to the products to everything about Charlotte's aesthetic. I feel like no matter how old I get, I will always love this makeup style. I really hope you all enjoyed this tutorial and seeing the new products in action. Everything will be listed and linked down below in the description box. If you have any questions at all, please do not hesitate to leave them for me in the comments. If you did enjoy this video, I really appreciate you giving it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and join the Risa Does Makeup family. I do upload new content at least twice per week. You can also find more content from me on Instagram and on TikTok under the same username, Risa Does Makeup. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video.